Hello, and thanks for stopping by to check out my video on how I created this DIY over the stove spice rack for my kitchen. To get started, the first thing I did was take measurements of my stove to see how big I wanted the shelf to be. Then I gathered the boards and cut everything down to size. For this project, I'm just using 1x4 popular boards, and you can find these at any home improvement store for just a couple dollars a board. Once I had everything cut, I took my pieces outside to give them a nice sanding. Once that was done, I sprayed each board with 2 coats of black spray paint, and this is the Rust-Oleum semi-gloss paint and primer. Once it was time to assemble, I laid out my boards and then began to nail all the pieces together using my cordless brad nailer. I started out by nailing the top board to the side boards, and to fit my middle piece in place, I just used a little glass jar that was just a little bit bigger than the spice jars that I will be using, and so I was able to get the shelf accurately lined up on both sides. So here I've just moved the glass to the other side, and then I am continuing to nail all of the boards in place. And that is it. 4 boards, a few nails. You could also use glue for this project, and you have a DIY spice rack. And here it looks in position, all finished over my stove. And now it's time to spice it up. I found these cute little spice jars at Ikea, and they were just the perfect size for this type of shelf. Once I was done filling my jars, I added them to the shelf. Alright, and here's another look at the shelf with the spices, and I just added a few other pieces that I keep near the stove, my spoon rest, and salt and pepper holder. And that is it for this project. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with anyone that you know that may like it. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell on your way out, and I will catch you in another one. Bye.